Please welcome Cincinnati Mayor Aftab Pureval.
Hello, my name is Aftab Pureval, and I am the first Asian American mayor in the great city of Cincinnati. As a Tibetan refugee, my mom believed deeply in the promise of America. And when I was growing up, she and my dad, who is from India, taught me that when you make a promise, you keep it. For years, politicians came through my city and promised to fix the Brent Spence Bridge, which connects Ohio to Kentucky. Donald Trump was one of them. He did what they all do, press conference here, photo op there, but nothing changed until Kamala Harris and Joe Biden. Joe Biden told Cincinnatians, we're gonna fix that damn bridge. And 4 months later, he signed the bipartisan infrastructure law. It gave our city the biggest infrastructure investment in history. It will stitch our communities back together, and it will fix that damn bridge once and for all. That's what leadership looks like. Not hollow promises, but solid progress. Not lip service, but true, honest-to-God public service. And under Kamala Harris, the progress will only continue.